Every vehicle conceals a critical diagnostic secret within its operational fluids. This internal blood test frequently predicts catastrophic system failures long before any warning light illuminates. The core mystery lies in how a routine fluid sample provides a precise, actionable roadmap to an engine's or transmission's impending demise. Ignoring these silent indicators transforms minor wear into unexpected, costly breakdowns, or worse, compromises vehicle safety. Understanding this predictive power shifts maintenance from reactive repair to proactive intervention. Automotive fluids are not inert substances. They are dynamic chemical systems engineered for specific tasks. Their continuous exposure to extreme temperatures, mechanical stress, and internal contaminants initiates a degradation process. Engine oil, transmission fluid, coolant, and brake fluid each accumulate unique byproducts and physical changes that directly reflect the health of the components they serve. These changes are measurable and, when interpreted correctly, narrate a detailed story of wear and potential failure. Engine oil, the primary lubricant, faces the most intense operational environment. Its core functions include friction reduction, heat dissipation, and the suspension of combustion byproducts. Over time, high temperatures oxidize the oil, breaking down its molecular structure. Shear forces from moving parts degrade viscosity modifiers, leading to a loss of film strength. Simultaneously, the oil's additive package, crucial for alkalinity, dispersion, and anti-wear properties, becomes depleted, accelerating internal component deterioration. Used oil analysis quantifies these degradation processes. Technicians analyze for specific metallic wear particles, such as iron from cylinders and bearings, copper from bushings, or aluminum from pistons. The presence and concentration of these elements directly correlate with component wear rates. Furthermore, the analysis detects contaminants like fuel dilution, coolant ingress, soot from incomplete combustion, and silicon from airborne dirt. Each contaminant signifies a distinct operational anomaly requiring investigation. Fuel dilution occurs when unburnt fuel bypasses piston rings and mixes with the engine oil. This reduces the oil's viscosity and lubricating film strength, increasing friction and wear on critical surfaces. Similarly, coolant ingress, often a symptom of a head gasket leak or crack block, forms sludge within the oil, compromises its lubricating properties, and leads to corrosion of internal components. Both conditions are identifiable through precise laboratory analysis, revealing issues before external symptoms manifest. Automatic transmission fluid, or ATF, performs a complex array of functions, transmitting hydraulic power, lubricating gears and bearings, transferring heat, and controlling friction within clutch packs. The intense shearing action within the transmission, coupled with high operating temperatures, causes the ATF to oxidize and degrade. This chemical breakdown leads to a loss of essential friction modifiers and a reduction in its ability to lubricate and cool effectively. Analysis of used ATF reveals metallic particles from the wear of clutch plates, bearings, and gears. Copper, aluminum, and steel particles indicate friction material and component breakdown. Oxidative byproducts, such as varnish and sludge, demonstrate the fluid's thermal breakdown, which can lead to sticking valves and reduced hydraulic efficiency. Elevated levels of these contaminants predict impending transmission slippage, erratic shifting, or complete failure, often stemming from overheating or mechanical wear. The engine coolant manages the vital task of maintaining optimal engine temperature, preventing both overheating and freezing. It also contains corrosion inhibitors to protect internal engine passages from chemical degradation. Over time, these inhibitors deplete, leaving the metal surfaces vulnerable to rust and cavitation erosion. Contaminants, such as oil or exhaust gases, can also degrade the coolant's effectiveness and lead to localized hot spots within the engine. Coolant analysis assesses critical parameters such as pH, freeze point, and the concentration of nitrites, silicates, and phosphates. A declining pH indicates increasing acidity and potential for corrosion. Depletion of nitrite and other inhibitors signals a loss of corrosion protection, allowing internal engine and radiator corrosion to accelerate. The presence of oil in the coolant suggests a heat exchanger or head gasket leak, compromising both systems. Brake fluid, a non-compressible hydraulic fluid, transmits force from the pedal to the calipers, engaging the brakes. Its most critical property is its high boiling point. However, brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it readily absorbs moisture from the atmosphere through microscopic pores in brake lines and seals. Even small percentages of water significantly lower the fluid's boiling point, a critical safety concern. Testing brake fluid involves measuring its boiling point and visually inspecting for discoloration or contamination. A reduced boiling point, often due to water absorption, increases the risk of brake fade. Under heavy braking, the fluid can boil, creating compressible vapor pockets in the lines, leading to a spongy pedal and reduced braking effectiveness. High water content also accelerates corrosion within the brake system, including expensive ABS components. The true predictive power of fluid analysis lies not in a single sample, but in trend analysis over time. Individual test results are snapshots. However, when multiple samples are compared, consistent patterns emerge, revealing the rate of wear, the progression of contamination, or the depletion rate of additives. An accelerating trend in wear metals, for instance, signals an impending component failure before it becomes physically apparent through noise or diminished performance. This transition from reactive repair to predictive maintenance fundamentally alters vehicle ownership and fleet management. By identifying and addressing nascent issues indicated by fluid analysis, minor repairs can prevent catastrophic failures. This proactive approach significantly extends the operational lifespan of components and entire vehicles, reduces unscheduled downtime, and optimizes maintenance schedules, ultimately minimizing overall operating costs. Fluid analysis is a powerful, yet singular, diagnostic tool. Its efficacy is enhanced when integrated with other diagnostic methods, such as onboard sensor data, scan tool diagnostics, and meticulous visual inspections. The accurate interpretation of fluid analysis reports requires specialized knowledge and experience, transforming raw data into actionable maintenance strategies. It is a critical piece of a comprehensive diagnostic puzzle. The car's blood test provides an unseen narrative of its internal health. The subtle chemical and physical changes within its operational fluids silently document the ongoing stresses and wear processes. Understanding this data allows owners and technicians to peer into the future of a vehicle's mechanical integrity. The secret lies in recognizing that every fluid sample contains a detailed forecast of component longevity and potential failure, offering an invaluable opportunity for timely intervention.